Hey, what's up, GoHighLevelers? In this video, we're going to talk about a very cheeky feature that you can apply to your GoHighLevel calendars, which is called Look Busy. So this is a feature that lets you control the amount of available slots in your GoHighLevel calendars by adding a percentage that you can hide. So that way you come across as more in demand, and that sort of creates urgency for the leads to book with you. So let's dive into GoHighLevel sub account and see how we can do it. All right, so in my GoHighLevel sub account, I'm under calendars, and the calendar I'm going to use for this example is the sales coaching calendar. So if you are a coach and you want to come across as more busy, what you can do is click on edit, and then you have to head over to availability. So you can see right now we have availability from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And if I scroll a little bit down, you can see we have a look busy setting right here, which lets us choose a percentage if we want to apply that. For now, I'm going to turn this off, and we're going to preview this calendar to see how it come across naturally. So right now we have all these slots available, as you can see, Monday through Friday. So the first slot starts at 8 a.m. and then if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that there is no slot missing at this point. So it is 30-minute intervals, and we have slots all the way up to 4:30. So if the last one is at 4:30, it concludes at 5 p.m., which is our availability, right? So if I go back to the calendar setting here, and let's say I enable the look busy setting and I do 50% of it, now it will randomly choose 50% of the slots and then make them unavailable to your leads. So once this is saved, we're going to come back here and then going to refresh it. And once it is refreshed, you'll see that the slots will change. So the first one is still at 8 a.m. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that after 11 a.m., we do not have 11:30 or 12 or even 1 p.m., right? So the next ones are then 4 and 4:30. So it has purposely hidden 50% of the slots because of our setting, so that we can create urgency for your leads by showing less appointment slots. Now there's one more important thing. So let's say we had 20 slots available before we apply the look busy setting. So if we do 50%, 10 of them will be hidden, of course. And if then all 10 of them get booked, then GoHighLevel will show the remaining 10 as well, so that you can still get appointments for that same day once all of the previous ones are booked. So that was about this video. Again, it might seem like a small feature, but again, it can create really good results for you if you use it the right way by creating urgency in your calendars. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and we'll get back to you.